Hey guys, Trey here with AmericanTrucks.com. Today we're going to be checking out these Husky custom molded mud guards for the front and rear of the 2019 and newer Ram 2500 models that didn't come with those factory fender flares. Now these mud guards are ideal for any Ram owners wanting to protect their truck's fenders and their lower body from mud, rocks, and road debris, especially those of you who drive off-road or in tough conditions. Now, these Husky mud guards are custom molded to perfectly match the contours of your 2019 and newer Ram 2500, providing full tire coverage and excellent protection. The guards are designed to deflect road debris away from the truck's paint, helping reduce wear and tear over time. With a custom fit and a sleek design, they seamlessly blend into the truck's styling, providing functional protection against splashes, scratches, and chips. Now these are going to be made from Husky's impact-resistant thermoplastic material. These mud guards are built to withstand the rough conditions without cracking or warping. This durable material provides flexibility and strength, offering reliable coverage while maintaining a polished look. The black textured finish is built to resist the elements, keeping them looking good year-round. So as far as pricing goes on these mud guards, they're gonna land right in that mid $100 range, making them a cost-effective solution for protecting your truck's exterior from road debris. Over time, they can help save you on repair costs by preserving the truck's finish, making them a worthwhile investment for keeping your truck in good shape. Now, installation is gonna be very straightforward with their custom fit. Rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, it should take you only about 30 minutes to install. These guards come with all the necessary hardware, and the custom molded design ensures they fit nice and easy. Now let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Okay, I'm going to be installing Husky Liners mud guards on a 2002 Ram 2500, both front and rear. The rear portion, it comes with a little piece of adhesive, and these are the 2 screw holes for the factory, and then it also comes with one for each side, a little screw clip. I'll show you that later. Then the front. The tools I'm using, I've got a light out, I've got a Phillips screwdriver bit for the part that came with the kit, I've got a 7mm socket for the rear, a 5/16 for the front. This is a clip tool. Don't really need to use it on this, but I brought it out just in case. And then I'm using a DeWalt with a angle adapter. Angle adapter really just so I can get in there and torque it up. So we'll go ahead and show you how to remove the 2 screws to put the rear one on first. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean up this piece right here. Just because I don't want to trap dirt and grime and stuff underneath it. So pretty much this whole piece here is going to get covered up by the new rock guard from Rough Country, or mud. I think they call them mud guards, not rock guards. Anyway, I'm going to clean this up. It's going to get covered up. I want to make one little clarification also. This little screw-in clip, basically when this fits up in here, the nice place to put it would be right here. So to put on this and then screw it into this. But I'm going to replace that with also the Rough Country inner liners. So I'm not going to install that right now, but I'll show you what I do with that once I get the actual wheel well liner in. So in order to do this guy, real simple. Got 2 of the 7mm body screws. This is held on by several clips here, so this is not going to fall off, but I'm going to pull it, and I'm just going to clean in here real quick, just because I want to get it clean. Got it off, might as well clean it up some. Some dirt out of there. So take off the little piece of adhesive, because that's going to It's going to attach and hold that right here. Again, we want to make sure that's clean. I'm not going to do that right now because, again, I'm going to put it on a different liner, but I'm going to show you how to do this from a stock and factory position first. Everything fits in. Okay, everything's in place. Torque it up. And that's it. That guy is in. So when this is attached, that's always going to be tighter. I'll show you that when I get the wheel well liner in. Okay, now we're going to do the front. Do the same thing. Put a little detailer on here, clean this up. These are the 5/16 body screws. Don't know why they don't do the same kind front and rear, but they don't. And this guy stays exactly where it is. There's a clip in here that holds it in place. You see that it's got a cutout right here. It goes right up inside here. So again, I'm going to get the dirt out of there. Snaps in place. That's good. Put the top screw in. Bottom one. Everything's lined up all the way around. It is. And I'm going to set my torque wrench to just the one. It's got a 3 setting, but I don't want to over torque these. Bump it a couple times. All right, that's good and done. Okay, what I ended up doing is just taking two of these clips off of the original stock panel and just pushing them over until they were able to squeeze tight enough to make contact. And that's basically all I could do. Before I got to the other side, FedEx dropped off the mud flaps that I ordered at the same time. Came a damn late. There's some adhesive there, and so I'm gonna make sure this is all clean. I'm just using some brake parts cleaner. Just a little bit. Make sure all this is clean. All right. So, what's interesting in the bag are 2 screws, 2 clips. And those might be helpful on the other side, but I've got the screws and the clips are on the liner from the factory. They match up with the exact same holes. Here's the adhesive tape. I'm just going to go ahead and use the factory screws and go from there. So we'll hope that when I take this off, those screws or those backers don't move anywhere too crazy. One. too. All right, so this still uses the factory mud flap. It just sits inside this hole, and then there's some adhesive. So I'm going to take this adhesive off, or the tape off. So I get up there and mount. Now it's fine. And that just fits right into that same exact position. Everything seems to be lining up just fine. Sure that's good. It seems to be working. Tighten all the way up. Sure everything's in place. Okay. So yeah, everything's in place. Everything looks good and solid. Got my little adhesive spot right here. Let me go ahead and make sure that's connected. So all in all, worked pretty well. Go ahead and snug that up. Snug this one up. All right. So it's definitely a flap. It moves around there. I might put another couple screws in there and a backer. We'll see. But I might put a backer on this one and put a screw through there. Just make sure it stays tight. But I must say I'm happy with the mud flap. That definitely works well, and it matches up. Everything seems to be holding in the right position. I'm good with that. All right. Okay, now we're gonna do the front mud flap, and it's pretty simple. This one just goes right up into the spot where the factory one is, so it really just bolts right on top of the factory one. That's what it's made to do. So these are the Dodge body screws that are kind of hard to find. I actually found a package of them on eBay for 20 for like 17 bucks. I had a couple missing, so kind of a good thing to have. Everything's in the right spot. Strapped in. And I'll torque her up. Pretty happy with that. I mean, that's going to help keep the snow and stuff off the side of the body and off my running boards. In Colorado, you get all kinds of snow and ice on the running boards. You got to get out. It's basically like either jump out or slip and fall on the running board. So this is really going to help. So I like how that went in. It's secure. Uses the factory hardware. Leaves the factory one there. That's like a piece of cake. Love the mud flaps.
Well, that's going to wrap things up for our review and install the Husky custom molded mud guards for the 2019 and newer Ram 2500 models that didn't come with the factory fender flares. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.